Understanding quantifiers. Boosting your English contextually. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to focus on an incredibly important aspect of English grammar, the quantifiers. These seemingly simple words play a crucial role in the way we talk about quantity or amount, and believe me, they can dramatically improve your English language skills, particularly in context. Quantifiers are words or phrases we use before a noun to express the amount or quantity. They answer questions like, how much? Or, how many? Examples of quantifiers include words like some, many, a lot of, a few, a little, and so on. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but the key is knowing which ones to use and when. There are quantifiers that work with countable nouns. Things you can count, like books, cars, or apples, and uncountable nouns. Things you can't count, like water, music, or information. For instance, we can use a lot of or some with both types of nouns. We'd say, I have a lot of books, countable, and I need some water, uncountable. However, few and many are used specifically with countable nouns, as in, I have few friends, or there are many cars. On the other hand, little and much are for uncountable nouns, like, I have little time, or there isn't much sugar. Quantifiers can greatly enrich your communication if used accurately in context. They can provide precise information, convey your attitude, and even add some emotional undertones. For example, saying, I have a few friends, and I have few friends, may seem similar, but they convey different meanings. A few generally means a small number, but it's enough, while few implies not as many as hoped for or expected, thus a negative connotation. Similarly, I have a little money, and I have little money differentiate in context. A little means not much, but enough, whereas little suggests not enough, implying a sense of scarcity. Understanding the concept is crucial, but practice is what really makes you comfortable with quantifiers. Try to use these quantifiers in your daily conversations or while writing. The more you practice, the better you get at deciding which quantifier to use in a given context. And that's a wrap on our journey with quantifiers today. They may seem tricky at first, but remember, understanding and using them correctly can add a whole new level of nuance to your English. So, go out there, start experimenting with quantifiers, and see how they can change the game for you. Until next time, happy learning!